Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create watercolor nail art designs. These look absolutely stunning and are extremely easy to make. All you need are some watercolors which should be non-toxic and some polishes of your choice. For this design, first take any watercolor of your choice, and for my middle finger I have used a blue color. Add a squiggly line of blue watercolor on your nails, and what I'm trying to do is create a border which is darker in color, and the center I'm going to remove some of the watercolor to make it lighter. After this, taking a blue color nail polish, I colored one side of the nail with that polish and I left the other side as it is. Then I used a golden polish to color the center of the watercolor part to give it a glittery look. And when the design is completely dry, seal off the design by using a layer of glossy top coat, and your easy watercolor nail art design is done. For my pointer finger, I used the green watercolor and colored just one side of the nail, as my nail is not too long, and I removed the polish from the center. And in this I used a very translucent polish, that is the jaded blue polish, and I colored the watercolor area with that jaded blue polish first, and after that I repeated the process and applied the gold color in the center area. And when the design dried up, I finally applied a layer of glossy top coat. For my ring finger, I chose pink color and I repeated the same process, but over here also on top of the watercolor I applied a layer of very sheer shimmery pink polish, leaving a little edge of watercolor at some places, and then I filled in the golden polish at the center as before. And finally I applied a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. For the rest of the fingers, I used the plain pink polish and the jaded blue polish, and I left it as such. And you can see the finished result is very nice. This is a beginner's level nail art which you can do easily at home. The polishes used are as follows. I hope you liked this very easy watercolor nail art technique, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.